So a lot of people don't realize how they're supposed to heat up a corn tortilla. And some folks will just eat it right out of the bag. Don't do that. This is a life-changing difference when you use actual fire to heat the tortilla. When you don't want the heat too high, you don't want it going out to the edge of the tortilla. Bring it down just so it sits underneath. And then, here's the tricky part. You're gonna quickly grab the tortilla and flip it over, right? You can see around the edges it's black, and that's because I had the flame baked to show you originally why not to do that. It's because of that. So as you flip it, you'll see the edges start to sink down, and then you know it's heated up on that side. Depending on how well done you want it, will depend on, of course, how long you keep it on the flame. But the trick is to grab it quickly and to flip it over. You don't want to spend too much time. Of course, you're going to burn your finger. Just a quick flip. And that's it. Now this will fold and bend much better than if you didn't heat it up. It actually even tastes better compared to one that if you don't, when you fold it, it's more likely to crack and crumble. And nobody likes a crackly, crumbly corn tortilla. So make sure you heat it up on the stove. Make you a much better taco.